Okay, fifth grade, today with decimals, we're going to do something a little different. We are going to round decimals. And the concept is not much different than what you would do if you were rounding a whole number. So first, let's look at this decimal, 6 and 2400ths. We're gonna round this to the nearest whole number. So I'm gonna underline 6. So you underline the digit, look to the right. If it's 0 to 4, the underlined digit stays the same. If it's 5 to 9, then you're going to add 1 to the underlined digit. So I look next door and this is a 2. Well, that's 0 to 4. So my 6 is going to stay the same. So 6.24 rounded to the nearest whole number is 6. Well, let's say now that I want to round to the nearest 10th. I look next door, and 4 falls from 0 to 4. Therefore, when you're rounding this, you look, and this would be 6.2. So the first one is rounded to the nearest whole number. The second one is rounded to the nearest 10th. We look down, 11.78. I'm going to underline my whole number, 11. I'm going to look next door. 7 falls between 5 and 9. Therefore, this rounded to the nearest whole number would be 12. If you think about it, it's like having $11.78. That would be closer to $12. Now, if I want to round to the nearest 10th, I look at 7, and again, I look right. Well, 8 falls in between this range. Therefore, we're looking at this and rounded to the nearest 10th, it would be 11.8. So you have several problems like this that you are to solve for Friday's work. We will be looking at it again on Monday. Have a great weekend.